Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Creo tutorials how to use split surface. You can create new part and then I will choose top plane, create sketch. I will draw rectangle in it. Click OK and use extrude tools to convert into 3D. So I will set for extrusions like this. Click OK. The next you can select at this face and we create sketch again, change into top view, and I will draw rectangle at this point. Okay. We draw like 5 rectangle. Click OK. Now use extrude tools to convert into 3D. Okay, you can decrease for the extrusion. Click OK. Now if you select at this face, it will be automatically select all face. So if you want to split this face, you can use split surface. Click in here, split, and then choose auto detect. Select at this face. Click OK. So it will be automatically separate between these all surface like this. Okay, that's it. How to use split surface in Creo. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.